For 136 years, partners and associates of B. Grimm have put their hearts into contributing to the development of our country. Since 1878, B. Grimm's purpose has been to do business with compassion. Having started with making modern medicines, the well-being of society, our customers and communities have been at the heart of our efforts. Since then, we have been supporting health, infrastructure, industrial and city development, religion, education, sports, environment, and culture. B. Grimm's total assets, mainly in the power sector, expanded from 19 billion baht in 2010 to 43 billion baht in 2013, with profits after tax constant at a healthy 8% of revenues. B. Grimm's revenues have grown from 17 billion baht in 2010 to 25 billion baht in 2013, targeting 20% growth in 2014 to reach 30 billion baht. B. Grimm's fastest growing business is in energy, with B. Grimm Power as one of Thailand's leading private power companies. Our goal is to expand our total energy generating capacity from currently 733 to 2,000 megawatts by the year 2019. We also plan to invest in countries across the region, including Japan, Myanmar, and Malaysia. 2013 was a year of success for B. Grimm, where we have achieved major milestones, such as the commencement of operation of 2 power plants in Amata City Industrial Estate, Rayong, and the start of construction of 2 power plants in Amata Nakhon Industrial Estate, Chonburi, and another 2 power plants in Bangkadi Industrial Park. In 2014, we will start with the construction of 4 power plants worth over 20 billion baht in 3 industrial parks, Amata Nakhon, Amata City, and Bowin. B. Grimm's second biggest sector is in business and industrial systems. In recent years, we were able to significantly increase the sales of our energy-efficient cooling systems from Carrier. We will expand our business through an investment also with United Technologies, or UTC, in the Building Security Systems Company, Chubb Direct. We will start with the distribution of air conditioning products from UTC's Chinese partner, Midea. In our healthcare business, B. Grimm continues with strong growth through its joint venture partnerships with global leaders such as Merck, Maquet, Siemens, and Carl Zeiss. B. Grimm's transport business was contributor to the successful construction of the BTS and MRT, and consortium leader for the airport rail link with Siemens and Sinotai. In 2013, we ordered 2 most modern Japanese-built bulk carriers with 2 partners and will order 2 more in 2014 with a total investment of 5 billion baht. In real estate, B. Grimm operates commercial buildings and warehouses and purchased the ancestral home and original pharmacy of Mr. Harold Link's great-grandfather in Lübeck, Germany, which was also visited by Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn. In lifestyle, culture, and arts, B. Grimm operates spas and restaurants, distributes cosmetics and fashion products, invested in the porcelain Nymphenburg of the royal family of Bavaria together with them, and now also distributes products from the New York Metropolitan Museum of Art. B. Grimm, doing business with compassion.